Exercise 9.3 Problem 5 Solution. Construct a cyclic quadrilateral KLMN such that KL equal to 5.5 cm, KM equal to 5 cm, LM equal to 4.2 cm, LN equal to 5.3 cm. So let's draw a simple diagram. So draw a circle, mark 4 points KLMN. Don't worry too much about whether the points are right or wrong. Don't worry because only it's rough diagram. Connect them. KL, KM, K, all join all the points. KL, LM, KN, and in this case they have given you the diagonals also. LN they have given you LM and LN. Okay, so connect LM and LN and write out all the measurements. So if you look at it, first we'll have to draw KL given, and you see they have given two measurements for N. Oh, I'm sorry, two measurements for M. They have given KM and they have given LM. So which means with K as a center, draw an arc. K and 5 centimeters radius, draw one arc. With L as a center and radius of 4.2 centimeter, draw another arc. They both intersect at this point, and that point is M. Join KM and LM. So which means now LM and KL are the two sides of the quadrilateral, right? So draw the perpendicular bisector of KL, draw the perpendicular bisector of LM. So they both will intersect at one point, and that is O. With O as a center and OK or OL or OM, all three will be equal. Draw this circle. Now the fourth point N has to be on this circle, but we know LN is 5.3 centimeter. So with L as a center, 5.3 as a radius, draw an arc cutting the circle, and that point is N. So join KL and MN. That's all it is. Okay, so pause the video and try to do this problem. Draw the construction, I'm sorry. Then you can come back and check our construction. Okay, so here we go. I have the fair diagram. Okay, so let's start it. The first one is you have to draw a line KL of length 5.5 centimeter. Okay, next we know there is it is KLMN, right? So they have given us KM is 5 centimeter and LM is 4.2. M is a common point. KM they have given and they have given LM, right? So with K as a center and 5 centimeters radius, draw an arc. Similarly with L as a center and 4.2 centimeters as a radius, draw another arc. They cut at each other, and that point is M. Okay, right, this point is M. So we join KM and we join LM. You got it? With K as a center, because they have given KM as well as LM. That's the easiest point. So with K as a center and radius of 5 centimeter, draw this arc. Then with L as a center and radius of 4.2 centimeter, draw another arc. They both intersect at one point, that is M. Then join KM and join LM. Then we know KL and LM are the two sides of the quadrilateral. So draw a perpendicular bisector of KL and a perpendicular bisector of LM, right? How do we draw a perpendicular bisector of KL? Let me go through one more time. All you need to do is that take half the length of KL. So here the length is 5.5, half of it is 2.75. So let's take 3 centimeters radius. With K as a center, draw one arc. The radius is 3 centimeter. Draw one arc above, one arc below. Similarly with L as a center, draw one arc above and one arc below. The arcs cut each other. Join the intersecting points, right? And that is a perpendicular bisector. Similarly do the bias for this LM. Now these two bisectors intersect at one point, and that point is O. So with O as a center and OK as the radius, or OK, OL, OM, all three are the same. As a radius, draw one circle. Now for the quadrilateral KLMN, K is known, L is known, M is known, and N is only missing. And N has to be on the circle because it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now they have to give what as the fourth measurement. They given ln equal to 5.3 centimeter. So ln is 5.3 centimeter. So if n is here, this distance is 5.3. So with L as a center and radius of 5.3 centimeter, draw an arc cutting this circle. This point is N. Right? Join Ln and join Kn. That's all. Thereafter you can join Mn. This is the required quadrilateral. Okay. Let me go through the construction. So draw a rough diagram and mark the measurements. Draw a line segment KL equal to 7 centimeter. This was the first step. I'm sorry about this. Okay, I got it rectified. Now, KL, you draw a line KL of 5.5 centimeter in length. Then with K and L as centers, draw arc of radii 5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter respectively to intersect at M. Join KM and LM. So with K as a center and 5 centimeters radius, draw this arc. With L as a center and 4.2 centimeters radius, draw another arc. They intersect at this point and that is M. Join KM and LM. So now we have the two sides KL and LM. Draw the perpendicular bisector of KL and LM to intersect at O. Right? So we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of KL and we have to draw a perpendicular bisector of KM. So that is what we did. This is a perpendicular bisector and this is another perpendicular bisector. They intersect at this point O. Then with O as a center and OK or OL or OM, all three are equal, as radius, draw the circumcircle of triangle KLM. So with O as a center and OK as a radius or OL as a radius or OM as a radius, draw this circle which will enclose or encompass the triangle KLM. Right? Now, we know the fourth point, we need to find the fourth point N. So, but it is on the circle, it's a cyclic quadrilateral, right? So, then, but we know Ln is the given measurement. What will we do? With L as a center and radius 5.3 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the circumcircle at N. So, with L as a center and the radius of 5.3 centimeter, draw an arc cutting or intersecting this circle, and that point is N. Okay, what else? Join Kn and Lm. So now we know N, so join Kn and Mn. So KLMN is the required cyclic quadrilateral. Got it? It's pretty easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching. If not, please go through this. If you are not understood, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.